So long silent movies, quiet dances on the screen. So long burning slowly, smelling sweat and kerosene.
Jutro!
Ključi!
And all the actors on
Addio.
stage are rolling cigarettes and whispering so low.
Sorry!
Call my parents up, tell them I'm not coming home. So long silent movies.
Ne zamudil v šolo?
Ko mi nisi mogel prej povedati?
Ja, adijo.
Call my parents up.
Sorry! Pazi malo.
So long silent movies, to waking early, staying late. I think I'll head on down.
Kdaj prideš domov?
Ne, vem, ko imam trening danes, pa bolj pozno, verjetno. Adijo.
Adijo.
Thoughts that go